You can't even see me breathe. 'Cause all that is need to be on you.
What's up, y'all? We are just gonna start this tutorial with the bald cap already on. I'm actually about to show y'all how to fix a messed up wig cap because I messed it up right here. I cut it way too close, as y'all can see, and it started peeling back. But don't worry, your girl's gonna show you how I tried to fix a bald cap that I cut off a little too much. This was my first try. I have done this before, and sometimes it does work, but baby, this cap was too far gone. Okay, it was too far gone. And doing that really didn't work. As y'all see, I'm just putting my foundation around the cap. This is my Maybelline Fit Me in 332. I'll also put some onto the wig. Now I'm just going to try the wig on and make sure that everything is laying how I want it to, that I don't have too much bald cap left. I'm going to cut off my ear tabs as well. And everything pretty much was looking good. But once I pulled the wig back, I see that I fucked it up even more. So it was pretty much like a big hole. Like it was not stuck down. So what I did is I took my scissors and I'm basically gonna cut it like down the middle so I can cut off the excess, so I can make the cap go back flush and flat to my skin. So I just cut off a little piece so I can make it all flat again, and y'all, let's see what I do. I'm just gonna peel it up and basically stick it down so my hair isn't showing anymore. And just like that, it literally looks like the cap is back to normal. So now I'm just taking my glue. Y'all know I use the Erica J. This is the watermelon scented one, and I love it because like every time you move your head after you use this, you just smell watermelon. And this is pretty self-explanatory. Y'all know I do my 3 thin layers of glue. Actually, this time I think I only did 2 layers. I do 2 or 3. It really just depends. And I usually do the middle of my head first, like the forehead area. I let that dry, and then I do the sides. I don't know why I do it like this. I've always done it like this, though. So it's basically just like 3 different sections. So once that middle part is dry, I go ahead and do the sides, and I basically just alternate. I do this because sometimes I feel like when you do your whole entire like hairline at once, the glue just dries too fast. And by the time you go to put your wig on, I think it just looks like, I mean, it's already dry, so it's just not sticking. It don't work. I'd rather do it this way. So this is going to be my second round of glue. And once everything is dry, obviously you just take the wig, lay it down, or line it up the correct way. And look at that cap. Like, y'all can't even tell that it was just messed up. I really snapped with that one. And I'm just going to lay the wig down, and I use my comb to like comb the hair back, but at the same time lay the lace into my skin. So I keep the comb like flat to my scalp and just like mash down, but also comb at the same time. So at this point, I was just starting to see, you know, what I was working with the lace. It was looking real good already. So I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and start to cut the lace off. Y'all can't even tell that the lace is there. That's how good these wigs are. This wig is actually from my hair collection. Y'all know I used to sell hair. I'm debating on starting again my TikTok girls. If you don't have me on TikTok, definitely go add me there. But my TikTok girls always telling me they want me to start back selling hair, so I've really been debating on it. Now, I don't know what happened with my footage, and I kept ducking out of the camera, but that little part that I have parted out in the front that kind of looked like a little eddy, I'm cutting that off. I just don't know where the footage is when I cut it off, and I kept getting out of the camera view too, so as y'all see, it's not there no more. I just did my middle part, and I am starting to hot comb the hair back. I do this before I put my elastic band on, just so I know everything is laying right underneath the band, and that is going to be a melt when I take it off. And now, like, when I'm looking at this right now, that part don't look like it's in the middle of my head. But I promise you, I fixed it somewhere along the video. This hot comb is also from my hairline. I used to sell these. They're super durable. They go up to like 500 degrees. And I've had this same one for like 2 years. Like, definitely worth the money. I'm using the Eben Wonder Lace Bond Spray. I'm just spraying a little bit onto my finger and then dabbing it onto the hairline. Then I'm going to put on my elastic band and really melt the wig down. And I'm trying to experiment, y'all. I am no longer using black elastic bands. I felt like black elastic bands got my wig so dirty so fast. I don't know if it was the dye or like the little black fibers. I don't know. But I'm trying out a white elastic band, and I'm going to let y'all know how that works for me. I feel like already this install has been eating because it's literally a week later, and my wig still looks fresh. So while I have my elastic band on, I'm just going through and hot combing each section, adding a little bit of the wax stick at the root, and then hot combing it through. And then I'm going to go through and flat iron, so y'all could just watch me do that. And boom, wig was eating, okay? Like, love how this install turned out, y'all. I'm about to get ready to do my baby hairs. I am taking my tweezers and plucking some out. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't have the full footage of me doing my baby hair because my camera kept cutting off and dying, and I had somewhere to be, so I really couldn't wait for my battery to like charge. If y'all want to see a full baby hair tutorial, I do have it on TikTok. Go add me on TikTok, y'all. The link will be down below. But right now, I'm just using a very light hand with my tweezing and plucking out the hairs just until they look natural and they're not too thick. I'm really in love with how this installed. Like, I keep looking at it like, yes, girl, you did that. I'm going to take my scissors now and cut them. Not super short, but not super long. Just long enough for me to curl them and swoop them back. And I use my little baby flat iron, like the 1/2 inch one or whatever, and curl downwards. And then once you're done curling, you're going to take some non-alcoholic mousse. I use the Nairobi foam and then go ahead and swoop your edges down. If you need something a little stronger, I like to mix it with a little bit of the Got To Be gel in the black squeezy container. And this is pretty much it, you guys. After I do all my baby hairs, I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know if y'all want to see more tutorials in the future. Give me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.